Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 5, Industries. In this video, we will discuss about Information Technology Industry. Information technology industry deals in the storage, processing, and distribution of information in digital form. Today, this industry has found application in all spheres of life like trade, finance, defense, planning, education, medicine, etc. Availability of resources, cost, skilled labor, and infrastructure are some factors that determine the location of this industry. The major centers of IT industry in the world are the Silicon Valley, which is located in the Northern California, USA, and Bangalore, located in Karnataka, India. First of all, we need to understand what is silicon industry. The invention of a small electronic device called integrated circuit or chip led to the development of personal computers, which provided the base for the growth of IT industry. The chip is made of silicon, so the term silicon industry came to be closely associated with the IT industry. Locational advantages of Silicon Plateau, Bangalore. As you know, Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka, which is located on the Deccan Plateau, from where it gets the name Silicon Plateau. It is famous for its mild climate throughout the year. It has largest number of educational institutions and IT colleges in the country. These have provided a large number of skilled English speaking professionals to the IT industry. Low rents and low cost of living. The mild climate of Bangalore, low rent and low cost of living made working and living conditions very comfortable and relaxed. It was the first state government to announce an IT policy in 1992. The Karnataka government has been supporting the growth of IT industry. The state government of Karnataka was the first to announce an IT policy in 1992. Skilled workforce. The city has the largest and widest availability of skilled managers with work experience. Locational advantages of Silicon Valley, California. Silicon Valley is a part of Santa Clara Valley located next to the Rocky Mountain. The term Silicon Valley was first used in the 1970s to describe the rapid growth of the IT industry in the region. In fact, the area is considered the birthplace of the IT industry. Advanced scientific and technological centers in the world. It is close to the major road and air networks. Many advanced scientific and technological centers are also in its vicinity. Pleasant climate. It has a temperate climate with the mercury rarely going below 0 degrees Celsius. This combined with the clean environment makes living conditions quite comfortable. Plenty of space for development and future expansion. It has ample space for the setting up IT industry and their expansion. Access to markets and skilled workforce. The area also has good access to markets and skilled workforce is readily available from local institutions and other IT companies in the area. Even today, the Silicon Valley continues to enjoy its status as a major IT hub. Big IT companies such as Hewlett Packard, IBM, Intel, Xerox, Cisco, and Sun have set up their centers here. In the Bangalore, many large IT companies such as Microsoft, Infosys, and Wipro are located, and many multinational companies have also set up their offices in the Bangalore. Metropolitan centers in the India such as Chennai, New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad are emerging as major IT hubs in the country. Gurgaon, Pune, Chandigarh, Kochi, and Thiruvananthapuram are also important IT centers. So, children, have a good day. Bye.